Day 3 of the Skandi minimal makeover, and I could not be more excited. You have seen me in the past days putting the parquet on the floor, picking paneling, building all the furniture, and also creating this super hack where we transformed this closet as a dining nook, hid it like a secret working area, and made the entire room. Today, finally, we are back in the game to tidy up all this mess and start styling. First thing was obvious to put up frames and paintings all over the place, while we started to make a full wall made of little wood panels to create all the vibe that we wanted in the space. Then finally it was time to take out all the furniture that I had previously built and put the plants because there's no place without lamps. And then, are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go sing!
The fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns. How they came back around like a nigga selling